Could it be that rooster?
No, that rooster's long gone.
I hope there's not a cat or something. Hi, Harley.
Man, they're ugly.
Aren't they?
Yeah, they're not doing anything now.
No, of course not. Unless maybe if you went closer, I don't know what they would do.
I'm not going up. There's 4 of them up there.
Is there 4?
Yeah. Come on, birdies, move.
Nope.
Don't come this way. Watch Harley go up there. He'll chase them.
Harley, go get the birds.
Come on, do something.
Want me to walk up there?
No.
Nope.
I bet the snake is up there. There's something up there because it stinks.
Yeah,
There was like 8 or 9 of them, hon.
I believe it.
And you should saw, and they're up in that tree. There they go. See, went up and see. He's up in that tree. Harley.
Okay, Harley. There must be something still up there.
Oh yeah.
There's 3 of them?
Yep.
Yeah, there's something dead. You smell it.
Mhm.
Okay, Harley. Come on.
Harley, go chase him.
Go get those birdies. Where's the birdies?
I'm looking for Harley. There he is.
Mm-hmm.
Harley.
Harley Davidson.
Can you see that bird up in the tree?
No. I know they went up in the tree.
I'm gonna go over here see if I can see them better. If they come flying by me, I'm gonna start running
I know you are.
because they may try to pick me up and take me away. Right, Harley? I can't see them now.
No, we're not high enough on the hill.
Nope. Watch where you walk.
Look at my tree with all the birds on it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What's he yelling about?
Yeah.
Danger's coming.
Oh, there they go. There he goes. Into the tree. Wow, look at him. Oh, he almost fell. Is that Roscoe? Here comes Roscoe to the rescue. Get him, Roscoe. They're up in the tree. Can you see them up in the tree, hon? They what?
I think it's like the head of a
Beaver? A what, hun? A raccoon? What's that over here? Oh, feathers.
Yeah.
Feathers.
Uh-huh. See? Uh-oh. They're still flopping around in those trees.
Oh,
There's some fur, and then the head is over here. Can you see the head? Now you tell me, is that a raccoon or a beaver? You see the teeth on it?
yeah. Ooh. It's ugly, whatever it is.
I think it's a raccoon or a beaver, but but there's no water. It's got to be a raccoon, I think. Huh? Look at the poor thing.
Oh. The feathers must be from the
big black ones, yes, but
vultures.
the fur is from
Yeah.
them tearing apart this poor little animal.
Yep. Okay.
There's a poopy.
We didn't have to advertise that, hun. Okay.
But there's that big feather.
And the birds have gone.
She'll be
Okie
back.
doke.
She'll probably be back.
Yeah, let's get out of here before they come back. Goodbye.